It's Alex's birthday. Start singing. No, shh. Wait. First, we need to make it be like this so we can see. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Alex. Happy birthday to you. Alex, roll the candle. Yay! Good job, Alex. Let's eat our food. Get cupcake and the table. Get cupcake from the table. That's it here. It's so good. Cupcake. Wait 1 second. Strangers. It's Alex's birthday, sweetie. See, Alex craft. Stranger, sing with me. People sing. Sorry, over people sings. Got a cupcake that I can eat. Oh, cupcake. And with some more. Cupcake's too good for you. Baby!
No. Alex, what happened? I want to play. Okay.
Let's go. Put baby on the counter behind floor. Strangers.
Okay.
What, sweetie?
Okay, I put the baby.
Oh, it's ringing bell. Wait. Hello. What's your name, sweetie?
Lucy.
Look at Lucy and Mama. Come on, let's go. We're ringing the doorbell. Come on. I want to see with Lucy and Mama at the hallway. Mama and Lucy got the baby at the house.
That's twin.
Dada rings bell or Dada open door for me. Okay. It's too fun at home. Baby, I want some cupcake with Alex's birthday.
Alex, let's play together. Lucy.
Baby, talk to Mama. Mama, baby's is here.
Oh, okay, hi. We have a new baby here. Lucy, be really careful.
Baby,
I
be
love
careful.
you, Lucy. Yeah. I don't get out of it.
Come back.
Because you keep breaking things, Lucy. That's why you kicked out of the house.
Okay. Cut quick.
No, in April, you used to break.
Wake up, it's daycare time.
No, don't make so long.
I don't want to make so long. At Alex's birthday, she's at afternoon. I am not talking.